In this tutorial, we're going to be looking at angles on a straight line, but special ones. These are going to be called supplementary angles. And the idea of a supplementary angle is where you have two angles, and together they make a sum of 180 degrees. So supplementary angles make 180 degrees, and there must only be two of them. And you can see in this particular diagram here, we have our straight line running straight across like that. And off the straight line, we have two angles, one here and one here. So let's have a look at how we can solve this. The simplest way is to create a simple equation. So we have here 30 degrees plus with the unknown angle, which is y. And we know that those two angles together are going to make 180 degrees because they are supplementary. Together, they add up to 180 degrees. Okay. So let's work with our equation. We have 30 degrees plus y equals 180 degrees. So we need to cancel out this 30 degrees. So what we do is we do the inverse. This is positive 30 degrees. So we need to do the inverse, which is negative 30 degrees, which is minus 30 degrees. And we do the same to the other side as well to make sure that the whole equation stays balanced. Okay, so 30 degrees minus 30 degrees gives us 0. So that means on the left-hand side of the equation, we have y, and we can bring y down to the next line of working. And on the right-hand side, we have 180 degrees minus 30 degrees. That is going to give us 150 degrees. And the equation has come to its conclusion. And so this is the answer. Angle y is 150 degrees. And that's pretty much all there is to it.